Hello again YouTube. I have a problem. I can't resist buying crusty old machines off Facebook Marketplace, and this week's regret, a lathe from the early 1900s. The problem? It runs on three-phase electricity. My garage, however, runs exclusively on hopes, dreams and an extension cord from the kitchen. The solution? This. A variable frequency drive. It turns boring single-phase power into three-phase industrial power, which is either sorcery or, since I bought it from AliExpress, a really expensive smoke machine. But how does it work? A VFD is a box that convinces my single-phase power it's three-phase. It's electrical gaslighting at its finest. In English, it takes single-phase AC and runs it through some diodes to make single-phase DC and then smooths that DC using capacitors into a bus. It splits that into three and uses high-speed electronic switches and some clever timing to rapidly turn that DC back into AC, with each set of switches being timed differently to emulate three different phases. Do I know how it actually works? Absolutely not. I'm just here pushing buttons and hoping I don't unlock a secret menu that launches missiles. Wiring is easy. The manual's 200 pages. I read exactly 2 of them. Then I decided I'd just wing it and hope the fire extinguisher still works. In reality, it's actually pretty simple. Just connect the inputs, connect the outputs. They don't even matter which way round they go, because if it runs backwards you can just swap one around. And then just pray I don't invent a new way to electrocute myself. Now one press and it's three-phase power. Or I'll be browsing generators on eBay tomorrow. Yeah, nah, it works great actually. So, can't show you that. What? Or that. Oh yeah, this is okay. Yeah, so here's some clips of me using it. So there you have it, a $50 VFD running my lathe. It genuinely surprises me more than it surprises you, because usually these projects end with me googling, why does it smell like burnt plastic? But anyway, the lathe spins, the lights are still on, and I didn't electrocute myself, so I'd call that a win. Next video though, could be progress, could be paramedics, but the only way you're going to find out is if you hit that subscribe button down there, and I get on with the next project. So I suppose I better do it. I'm going to sit here for a minute and think about it though. But I should probably just get on and do it, because it's a lathe project. And I like lathe projects. And I nearly told you what it was then. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to turn the camera off before I say some more things that I shouldn't be saying. Hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.